We have spent over a year renovating the main floor of our home. It started with an 8-week one-room challenge project, doing the hallway renovation. I'll share some before pictures, don't worry. Of course, the hallway is the heart of our home and it really connects everything. We couldn't just stop and finish in one part. It connected to the living room, which connected to the other side of the house, which connected to the office. We ended up just doing it all. But if you've been following along our channel, you know that it took over a year because we live in this house, we have 2 kids, my husband works away so he's not home a lot, and I'm just a mom trying to figure it all out, as I'm sure you are too. Today we celebrate because we're done. We're done this big phase, this big project, and I'm so excited to share with you. I'm gonna show you some of the before and give you a home tour, and it's incredible. I cannot believe that we've done this with our own 2 hands. There's a few reasons that it took a long time, partly because of life. I'm a busy mom, I have 2 kids, my husband works out of town a lot, so we just worked when we were able to work, and we also like to enjoy our time, so not every weekend was spent renovating. We love camping and adventuring and spending time with our kids. Money? I mean, nobody ever wants to talk about it, but yeah, that's a big part. We spread this out. We owe 0 money on all of this. We did a lot of it ourselves. I did work with some brands, which is super helpful, and I'm always very grateful for. Would save and build and save and build. We worked within our means, and so yes, that meant it took longer. Also, no judgment if you take out a line of credit or a loan or whatever. I know those can be good options for people too. I'm just sharing how we did it in our reality, right?
Okay, let's get into some of these before photos. I don't have a lot of great before video, but I've tried to include as many photos as I can. This is the hallway view from the living room. Here's my office. We started renovating it before this project. It was really bad. And then that wall is the one that got taken out. You're gonna see that later in the video. This is the other side of that wall that got taken out. Another view of the back part of the house, the wall on the left got taken out. Here's the front entrance. It was so bad. There's the living room. Notice that arch there, that got taken out. And it was just so dark in there. I always felt like the ceilings were low and it was claustrophobic in there. There's the tile from the fireplace. Here's some progress. This was right before we put the floors in. We didn't do everything in the proper order because we kind of just had to make work with what we could at the time. So sometimes we did things backwards, but you know what? Here we are. In the end, it all turned out. There's the finished front entrance. We completely opened up that closet and it's so much more functional for our family. And there's the fireplace, my husband's favorite feature. I wanted it removed when we bought the house, but anyways, it's not so bad. And there's the beam that replaced that wall. It completely opened up this space so much. We still need to get a little bit more furniture in here. If you have ideas for furniture, definitely let me know because we're struggling on what to do. But it's just so much brighter and open and clean. And we love it so much. So now going around the back side of the house, we get all that light from the back windows in. This stairs was one of the first projects I did. I did some tile down there too, in between the flooring. This is my home office. Remember the purple ugly office? This is it. That art shelf was an old cabinet before. I have a video that's really popular on that. I'll link it down below. And then coming back around the house, here is the hallway where it all kind of started. And I really love how it turned out. I have a video on how to do that bottom board and batten if you're interested in learning that and seeing more of what this was like renovating with kids. And here we are back at the front entrance, and I'm just so happy with how it all turned out. I would love to hear what you guys think in the comments. Oh, and my beautiful side table. Again, I have another before and after on how I built that side table with the live edge.
Just want you to know, home takes time, renovations take time, DIY takes time. Just because something might take 1.5 years or more, it doesn't mean you can't do it. You can do it. It just might take longer than what you want. And yes, this project took longer than what we wanted, and I'm so glad it's done. We have 2 big areas left to renovate in our home, kitchen and then the master bath, which is not a big area. Big as in it will cost a lot of money because bathrooms can be very expensive, but we are gonna save our money for a little bit and we're gonna work on our shed renovation this summer, which I'm gonna share, so follow along if you wanna see that. And then I have another secret project that I haven't shared. It's a dream project of mine, a renovation project. and I'm gonna share that in the next upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you wanna see those. Also, if you wanna just see real life DIY renovations, then make sure to hit that subscribe button because that's what you're gonna find in our channel. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything or pretend this before and after happens with a snap because we all know it doesn't. So that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.